Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, concerns about a possible disease outbreak following months of uncollected medical waste which have piled up at public hospitals across the island.
Even though the regional authority says the backlog will be cleared by weekend, Chairman of the Public Health and Sanitation Committee in St. Catherine points to another possible health risk.
Now, Krista Campbell has the details.
Chairman of the St. Catherine Public Health and Sanitation Committee, Sidney Rose, says he was on a routine visit to the Spanish Town Hospital when an unexpected stench led him behind the casualty department. He said what he discovered shocked and terrified him.
It is a national disgrace and should not have allowed to happen. What is happening with this specific truck that we have to do transportation of medical waste?
Medical waste can be dangerous as it includes items used to test or treat patients such as bandages, gloves, swabs and sharp implements like needles or scalpels. It's why the waste is not dumped at any landfill but is taken to a specialized facility. The Health Ministry is responsible for the disposal process.
The waste is transported to this facility where it is treated and incinerated. The machines have broken down for a few months, and we have been struggling just to keep up or to keep our facilities clear. Been trying to make arrangements with the few licensed companies to have the waste removed, but unfortunately they don't have the capacity.
However, Regional Director of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Sarah Errol Green, says the issues have been worked out and
so all the facilities should be clear of all pile-up of medical waste no later than Saturday.
But the Spanish Town Hospital is not the only affected medical facility, and Sidney Rose has concerns.
Spanish Town Kingston Public Hospital in the main. Bustamante would have had arrangements with one of the companies who are assisting, and I believe Princess Margaret might not be as bad.
While in the waiting area, I would have heard several persons complaining about the stench. And I myself, as we speak, has had to put on a mask because the stench is unbearable. And I would have observed several rodents moving around as well. And we are having a rodent infestation problem in Spanish Town on a whole, to the extent where the municipality has to be baiting the market.
I'm hearing about the rat infestation for the very first time. But I do know that we have contract with companies that would come, with pest control companies, that would come and periodically bait and check for these things. We have operations persons in place at all the hospitals and our health facilities whose job it is to monitor.
Now, Mr. Rose says recent heavy rains have not only worsened the stench from the uncollected medical waste, but could also help create another health issue. He pointed to abandoned vehicles left at the Spanish Town Hospital.
A lot of derelict vehicles, and it must have been, containing water to have caused even mosquito nuisance as well.
When you have unserviceable vehicles in government, you have to compare what they call a board of survey. And they have to examine the vehicle and determine what to do with it, whether it should be sent to the landfill, whether it should be dumped, whether it should be scrapped, whether it should be sold. We can't just dispose of it like that. A board of survey will have to determine how it is treated.
Mr. Green also notes the St. Catherine Health Department is located beside the Spanish Town Hospital and should be monitoring the facility for any mosquito breeding sites. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.
The Ministry of Labour